In this OSEE training video, we will show you the basics of the resource history. One of the nice features with OSEE is every single artifact has its full history of all the changes that was made to it stored in the database. Couple good reasons for that. One, you can figure out who made the change, so you can go talk to them about the change or tell them, hey, you shouldn't have done that or whatever. But then the other good thing is you're able to revert the changes. So if in the Artifact Explorer we find an artifact, we can right click and say Open with Resource History. And if you notice, this is blocked out by transactions. So the database is done in transactions, which means a lot of changes can be made in a single operation. So if you notice when this was created, here it was done in transaction 55. And then later on, it was modified in transaction 58. So it will show you the transaction. It'll show you the item type, so what actually changed. So here it was given its name when it was initially created. Tells you what type it is, a relation, an artifact, an attribute, what was done to it, whether it was created new, whether it was changed. And like everything else in the system, everything has IDs. So it shows you the ID. It'll also show you the was-is values as change is made. It shows you the timestamp, the author, and also what operation caused it. So if you notice, this was the original artifact import when we created the database. Here's a populate demo database setup. So I'm going to quickly make a change to this artifact so we can, and then I'm going to refresh it so we can see what it actually does. So if I open my robot interfaces with the artifact editor and I make a change to the name, and let's say I make a change to the paragraph number, and then I refresh this view, I'll now see another addition that says the name was changed from robot interfaces to robot interfaces 2. That shows you what other the paragraph number changed, and the artifact is just a collection object, so you can see that it was an artifact. And like other things in the OSE, this is done with the X viewer, so you can customize how you want to see this view. And then if there are changes over 25, only the first 25 are loaded, but you can switch and load 50, or you can load a selected number, or you can load all changes. So that's the basics of the resource history. Thanks for watching.